Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to import your Exodus wallet. First, you need to find your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds, so keep it extremely secure. Make sure you have the exact and complete phrase written down correctly. Remember, never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your digital assets. Treat it like your most valuable possession. For desktop users, begin by downloading and installing the official Exodus application. Once installed, open it and look for the Restore from Backup option. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Carefully type each word in the correct order. After entering the phrase, you will create a new, strong password to secure your newly imported wallet on your computer. This process is straightforward. If you are importing to a mobile device, first install the Exodus mobile application from your App Store. Launch the app and select the Restore from Backup option, similar to the desktop process. You will then accurately input your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Once the phrase is entered, you will be guided to set up a new, secure password specifically for your mobile wallet. This ensures your assets are protected on the go. After successfully importing your wallet, take a moment to verify that all your digital assets are correctly displayed. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if available. Always remember to regularly back up your 12-word secret recovery phrase and store it in a very secure, offline location, like a safe. This ensures you always have access to your funds, even if your device is lost or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.